For this video, we're going to talk about the source monitor and how you can use it to preview parts of a video clip, set in and out points to that video clip, and then insert that into your timeline. And there's a number of ways that you can insert into the timeline, and I'll discuss those in a second. So the first thing you want to know is that by double-clicking on any video clip in your project bin or your project panel, it's going to immediately open it up in the source monitor. And what you're going to see in the source monitor is a PlayAhead where you can scrub right or left, and you'll hear the audio scrubbing as you do that. You can hit play, stop. You can step back a frame, step forward a frame, go to an in point, go to an out point, and you can set in and out points. This is a mark in, this is a mark out. I usually do it on the keyboards. I for in, O for out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit play, and I'm going to use my space bar to do that. And I'm going to find a part of this clip that I actually want to use. And I'll hit the in point, and you'll see that here. When it gets to a point where I don't want to use it, I hit the out point. So if I back up here, this is the portion of the clip that I have selected that I wanted. And what I'm not liking is that it goes a little bit too far, so I'm going to back this up just a tiny bit to about there. I'll move my PlayAhead to see where it's going to stop, and now I'm going to add it to my timeline. To do that, notice on my timeline that my PlayAhead on my timeline is right in between this clip that I have right now of the aqueduct. If I hit Overwrite, it's going to take out that portion of the aqueduct and overwrite with the clip that I have existing. And as soon as that clip is done, it'll go back to the aqueduct. And that's based off of where I have this PlayAhead. I'm going to hit Control Z to undo that. If I hit this insert, you're going to notice that it cuts the clip of the aqueduct, puts in the new clip, and then pushes the remainder of this clip out so that it actually increases the amount of time that you're seeing there. If I undo that, the other way that I can do this is I can actually move this PlayAhead to another clip by sliding over this way to a clip. Now, I find that this is very imprecise doing this because you might actually still be on one clip and not on the next. So a good way to do that is to hit up and down on your keyboard, and it scrubs through the actual midpoints of each of these clips on your timeline. So I'm going to put my PlayAhead right in between these and hit the insert, and it's going to actually put it in between, push the two clips out, and I'm not actually cutting any of the clips. On my mouse, to move back and forth on my timeline, I'm just pulling up and down on the mouse wheel to do that.